Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Cinematics video session 260. So basically in today's video, we will cover the third scenario as well as maybe if time permits, we will try to cover the fourth scenario or for sure we will just touch upon the fourth scenario a bit. Okay. So after completing the first two scenarios, this is my third scenario where it's saying show all customers who are either official or have placed orders or raised support cases. So firstly, let me just put it in our new sheet, this same question. I think we already did that last time. Okay, that's fine. Now, let me also just copy this complete tables as the way we have been doing till now. So here, let me just place it over here. Okay. Let me increase the width. Fine. So let me just rename it over here as scenario 3. Now, mhm, let me merge it once. Okay, fine. So here, as you can see, one thing is clear from this question, which is being asked over here. Show all customers who are either official or have placed orders or raise support cases. Now, I know these are the official records which I have in my customer master. In the orders, definitely it's there in the B table, and I have the support cases as well. What does that means is basically it's A, B, and C who is actually controlling this particular data set. So in the co-group, I have to ensure that there's a shared ownership between A, B, and C because these are the tables which are actually controlling this complete data set. Here, marketing leads is just a table which is doing the enrichment part, but the control part is done by A, B, and C. So one thing is for sure that because it's mentioned or I have to include every customers or rather the CID which is present in A, B, and C. So definitely one thing is clear that I have to include all the CID from A table, that is customer master, all the CID from orders and all the CID from support cases and whatever is there in marketing corresponding to the CIDs for the campaigns. I just have to bring that into consideration. Now, if I come to the co-group part, so let me just open my notepad. Here, if I write the scenario 3, I definitely know. So if I'm just copying this whole thing, it will be full over here. With B also, rather than left, it will be full. And with C, of course, it will be left, not an issue. Okay. So this is how it should look like. We can also create the table first of all. So here, let's say I have the CID. Let me map it over here. And this will be the I mean, I will be having the C5 as well. So let me write C5 over here. Then I have the C6 as well. Okay. So this will be my final table. And of course, I can map the other details as well, not an issue over there. So let me just map this whole customer name, which is completely fine till here. Then I have the order amount, which is the first two. Then I have the C5, which would be 450, of course. Then I have the case count. Here it will be 1. Here it will be 4, of course. This is the final table. As you have seen over here, how this A, B, and C, every CID has been included. So C1 to C4, the additional one is C5, and the additional one over here is C6. Now, of course, we can just write the SQL query. So, of course, the first step involves opening all the data set. That is fine. And I will just open this scenario 2 because I have to take the reference of that. I won't just write the complete code from the beginning, as I have to make a few changes in the existing code which is already there in scenario 2. So firstly, I will go for orders, click on add. I will go for support cases, click on add. I will go for marketing leads, and now I will go to the SAQL mode. Okay, and of course I will just change this to full, and here everything is fine. The CID part is also completely fine. So now if I run it, I think I will already get the complete details. Yeah. So as you can see, C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, and yeah, wherever it is blank, it's mapping as 0 for sum count and case count as well. And yeah, I think that's all about this one. So yeah, that is about this scenario 3. Let me just save it as well. So as you must have noticed while doing this scenario, or for that matter, the earlier scenarios as well, which we covered,